everyone, this is our vlog about Rizal. Jose Rizal was arrested in Dapilan, July 1982, deported in Cubao. He was lately allowed to travel in Spain but arrested upon arrival in Barcelona. His trial took place in Manila on December 1896. The prosecution presented evidence linking Rizal to Katipunan, a revolutionary organization fighting a Philippine independence key. Piece of evidence include letter found in Rizal. Position and illegal discovery served documents Rizal while acknowledging the writing deny directly involvement in Katipunan. Violent activity, the trial has lasting only a few days. He has found guilty to rebellion, subversion, and conspiracy, and sentenced to death by firing squad. Charge. The main charge of Rizal were rebellion, the Spanish court abuse Rizal of leading a rebellion against Spanish rule. Sedition. Rizal has charged with inciting rebellion, promoting with Katipunan to overthrow the Spanish government. The legal flaw. The trial of Rizal is widely criticized for numerous legal flaw. Lack due process. The trial has rushes Rizal defense as empire limited time and access to witness. Base judge and jury. The court has heavily based against Rizal and the verdict has predetermined the judge and jury were known to be loyal to the Spanish colonial regime. Prejudicial evidence. The prosecution rely heavily on circumstantial evidence and means therapist and some Rizal writing fit for their narrative. The letter presented were taken out of context. Suppression of evidence. The evidence has likely pretended from presented evidence. The court have exonerated Rizal. Violation of basic right. Rizal basic rights such as the right to fair trial, right to acute legal representation were violated. In short, Rizal trial has some design.
Thank you for watching.